In a land of dreams where colors play, a world of joy in a sunny day. Butterflies dance in the meadows so wide, with flowers that bloom by the countryside. Up in the sky where the clouds float by, the sun smiles down with a warm, bright eye. A giggling stream whispers a tale as it winds and wiggles through the dale. In the forest where the trees stand tall, creatures big and small having a ball. A friendly squirrel with a bushy tail hops and skips along the trail. Birds in the trees tweet and sing, their melodies a cheerful spring. A rainbow of colors in the sky, after the rain saying a sweet goodbye. So in this world of wonder and glee, let your heart dance wild and free. For in every moment a story unfolds, in the magic of life where joy unfolds.